Ah!
Yep. I mean, you can do the inshore, on the flats, the grass beds, to chunking, fish on the bottom with pet some nice mutton snappers. You get lucky, you can catch a barra. Those are some of the bruisers in the bay.
Do it. Do it, my brother.
Are you sucking your thumb? You got your thumb.
All right, let's see you do your trick, Delaney. Not that trick.
Are you ready? You want to show us? You want to show
Let's
us
see,
your
Delaney.
trick?
Come on.
Keep going.
All right, here we go.
Oh man, it's a big old jack. I got it. I got it. Thank you.
Go, Delaney.
This is really my
There you are. You psych yourself up.
first fish caught in my home.
Get psyched. Get psyched. Let's see your move. Let's see your move. You're looking good. Looking good.
Hey, you know what? It may not be as minor species, but it's my first fish here in this country. I am very thankful.
You can do it, Dee. You can do it. Come on, girl. Show us. Yeah! Good job! Good job! So proud of you. Look at you. You're so proud of yourself. You're so proud of yourself. You did it. You did it. Yes, we're proud of you. You rolled over. All by yourself you rolled over. Great job.